Libra, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Mai. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. Doesn't matter which astrology you follow, just watch the signs as they apply to you. It is not gender specific, and I'm only doing your energy, Libra. If you want to know what's happening with your person, you will have to go and watch their signs, and this is timeless. I'm changing my readings completely. Spirit has asked me to do so, and I will be doing different ones. This readings are for twin flames or soulmates that are in contact and coming into union soon, or this is if you're not yet in contact and coming into union, you will be soon if you resonate with this energy. All right, so watch the playlist that resonates with you. I've got the separation and no contact, and then I've got this one, or you can watch both and then see where you fit. All right, and that's it. Check the description box below for information on my private services so I can help you with healing or readings. I've got some packages available. I do put out specials on my Instagram and Facebook. You can just go and see there, look there. My links are below, my WhatsApp number is below, my email address is below, so get a hold of me so I can help you. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm giving away a free private reading when I've reached 1,000 subscribers, so please help me get there. And leave your name and email address in the comment section below so I can actually pick someone for the free private reading. Quick announcement, not going to spend a lot of time. My doTERRA essential oils are available for delivery to your door all around the world. So I'm putting a playlist at the end of the video called doTERRA essential oils. I've got everything in there, so just go and have a look at it. I've got a video in there, part 1 and part 2, where I talk about awakening and healing and everything you need to know about that, as well as how these doTERRA essential oils can support you in your awakening and healing process and everybody else around you. It's about overall health. It's about that balance between mind, body and spirit. So I'm in love with doTERRA essential oils. They are absolutely divine, and look how beautiful they are. So get a hold of me so I can get your oils to you, Libra, and let's see what is happening with you. All right, first card that came out for you was the Sun. And the Sun is such a beautiful energy. It's very strong. It's the strongest card in the tarot. So having the Sun card is just absolutely beautiful. That's about our ultimate joy and happiness. It's that warmth, that passion, that innocence, that spiritual journey with someone, and it's just absolutely, once you've reached that childlike awe about life and about love and about everything, and you're just on this beautiful soul journey. And this is where you are right now, Libra. You are really feeling good. You're feeling the love. You're feeling you've gone through healing here. You are following your spiritual path and journey, and you are very passionate here. You may have received some communication already about reconciliation, or if you're not the one receiving it, you have offered reconciliation here with your person. Either way, this is the return of your twin flame or soulmate coming into union. There's a reconciliation on the board. And you are just feeling overwhelmed with joy and happiness and passion and warmth and just all these beautiful energies in regards to this reconciliation, your person returning or you returning to your person. All right. Next card that came out was the Five of Wands. Now this is very interesting because Five of Wands is about fighting. Now you could be arguing or fighting with your person right now, but it could be to resolve some of the issues that was in the past or caused a separation or breakup between the two of you. But I do not feel any fighting going on right now. You might be fighting not to reveal how overly excited you are right now, maybe trying to hold back a little bit on that, not showing your person. But what I rather feel from this Five of Wands is that fighting for this connection and fighting for this love. So you are most definitely fighting for this connection and you are fighting for this love. and I feel that your person is, and that this could be why you are feeling so strong and so in these beautiful energies of the sun, is because both of you are fighting for this connection, and this is making you feel really good, because it's not only a reconciliation, you know, where it's easy to reconcile with someone, but having two people fight for love is a beautiful energy, and knowing that your person is also fighting for love and fighting for this connection and fighting to be with you, it's just a really good energy to feel. It's really it makes you just really feel really good about things. And definitely your person and you are coming into union, and you are making some solid commitments. This is a really strong and very beautiful energies. There it might be even be a proposal. Your person might ask you to marry him or her, or you might be the one asking for marriage. But this is about making that solid commitment, a long-term commitment, being with someone for life, spending your life together. So this is not only a reconciliation. This is a reconciliation coming back to your person here in such a strong way, in such a strong way, making very solid commitments here, and both of you fighting for this beautiful love. There's a lot of love here, a lot of passion, and there's a lot of beauty in this connection. Well, this is really beautiful energies here, Libra. I'm just going to leave it there. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services, so I can actually help you with readings or healing, whatever you need. Remember to go and look for the doTERRA essential oils. The playlist is at the end of this video, or you can just go and find it under my playlist and get a hold of me so I can get some oils to you. And like, share, and subscribe, and leave your name and email address in the comment section below so I can pick someone for that free private reading. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Libra.